Hello everyone, welcome to the course of Automotive Manufacturing Processes and Technology. Myself, Vimal Saloth from LJ Institute of Engineering and Technology. In this session, we are going to discuss about different types of the drilling machine, their construction and working. So to get started with, let us see first what is the function of the drilling machine. The main purpose of drilling machine is to produce the required size of the hole in the workpiece. For this purpose, the tool which is used is known as a drill bit. It is shown here, it is the drill bit, and for this purpose, it is held in a drill chuck and it is being provided the rotary motion. In diagram, you can see it is the workpiece, it is drill bit, it is provided rotary motion, and it is also provided the feed motion by which cutting action takes place and the required size of the hole can be produced. Now let us see different types of the drilling machine. First type is portable drilling machine. As its name implies, it is very handy and very easy to carry it anywhere in the workshop. It is a small size capacity machine which is operated generally by electrical motor. In this diagram, you can see here the electrical motor is housed inside this casing, and at the front end drill chuck is fitted. In drill chuck we can mount the required size of the drill bit which is driven by the electrical motor, and the required size of the hole can be produced. Next type of drilling machine is sensitive drilling machine. It is a small capacity drilling machine which is used to produce a small size of the holes in a workpiece. It consists of base, pillar, drill head, electrical motor, work table, and cone pulley. There are two cone pulleys. One is fitted on driver side and another is fitted on the driven side. And the power is transmitted to the drill spindle with the help of the belt drive. Here, for drilling action, the feed is provided by this hand wheel, and it enables the operator at every instant of the drilling action, he can feel or sense the drilling operation. So if it happens that if drill bit is worn out, then immediately we can stop the machine. As at every instant, it enables the operator to sense the operation. That's why it is also known as the sensitive drilling machine. Next type of machine is upright drilling machine. It is a medium capacity machine which is used to produce the hole of size maximum up to 50 mm. It consists of base, column, drill head, two cone pulleys, belt driven mechanism, and a work table. Work table can be swiveled by 180 degree on either side, and the feed is provided to the drill bit by the hand. This column is having the box section. Next type of drilling machine is a radial drilling machine. It is a heavy duty machine which can be used from medium size to large size of the workpiece. It consists of the base, pillar, radial arm, drill head, elevating screw, and electrical motor. This is the base which forms the base of the machine, and it supports all the other parts of the machine, and all the cutting forces are transmitted to the foundation by this base. Generally, it is made from the cast iron because cast iron has high compressive strength and good castability. This base has T slots over here, and on T slot we can also mount the table for small size of the workpiece. Or if size of the workpiece is larger, then directly that workpiece can be mounted on this table. Here one important feature is that this radial arm can be swung around this column by 360-degree angle, which is very convenient to make the hole at the required position on the workpiece. This drill head can also be moved on this radial arm. Now, the feed which is provided is hand feed or it may be automatic feed also, and the spindle is run by this electrical motor. So it is a radial drilling machine. Next type of drilling machine is gang drilling machine. In case of gang drilling machine, you can see here in photographic view, there are several 4 to 6 drill heads can be mounted on a common work table. Here in this view, we have seen that we can see that there are 4 drill heads are mounted on a common work table. So we can produce simultaneously numbers of operations by simply shifting the workpiece from one station to another station. In drill head, we can mount drill or another tool also like reamer or countersunk can also be mounted and run by the drill head. So it is useful in case of the mass production work. Next type of drilling machine is multiple spindle drilling machine. It consists of numbers of drill bit in a common drill head and it can be run by a common electrical motor. So here in this case we can produce the same size of the hole or different size of the hole as per the requirement in a single workpiece simultaneously. It may be also useful for the mass production work for the same type of the job where numbers of holes are to be produced simultaneously. So these are different types of the drilling machine and their construction and working. Thank you very much for watching.